Let's talk about LlamaIndex, a powerful framework that connects your data with AI. LlamaIndex, formerly known as GPT-Index, acts as a bridge between your private data and large language models. It helps AI read, organize, and query data from files like PDFs, CSVs, databases, or websites, which is perfect for building RAG-based applications. So why do we use it? Because LLMs like ChatGPT don't know your private or domain-specific data. LlamaIndex fixes this by structuring your data, creating embeddings, and sending only the most relevant parts to the model, making AI truly aware of your own information. We mainly use LlamaIndex for document Q&A, chatbots with private knowledge, summarization, and data analysis. Some key advantages are its easy integration, support for multiple data sources, and optimized retrieval for RAG systems. However, it does come with a learning curve, a bit of performance overhead, and its output quality depends on the embedding model used. Real-world applications include education, healthcare, research assistance, legal bots, and company knowledge systems. Here is the summary of today's lesson. LlamaIndex makes your AI smarter, data-aware, and ready for real-world use. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more knowledge.